With every purchase, we assign a project manager, also commonly referred to as a PM. Right away, you will have the opportunity to make changes, tailor your building to your specific needs, add accessories, make unique requests, or specific modifications to your project. Your PM will need to confirm your building's intended use, snow load, wall load, building codes, and your intended address. Make sure you have this information at hand before you begin. Your project manager can also help if you have difficulties acquiring this information. Feel free to ask. They are there to help. Next is the engineering and permit stage of the process. This is when we make the engineered stamped drawings. These drawings are necessary to have your foundation design made. They are also used to receive approval from your county. In the third part of the project management process, the erection drawings are made. Permit drawings lack the details needed to be an adequate guide to erecting your building. These serve as unique directions and are tailored specifically to be helpful. They will be your guide throughout the construction phase. A comprehensive shipping list is created during this stage, which contains all of the materials that will be included with your building. This list is very important. After you receive your shipment, it will serve as a checklist to make sure you have received all of your order. In the last part of this stage, we try to consolidate your freight. This process helps to lower our customers' costs whenever applicable. Afterwards, a delivery date is assigned to the shipment of your building. After delivery, you will need to unload the materials from the truck. Once unloaded, it is important to take an inventory. If you are missing something, don't fret. Just make sure to reach out immediately and let your PM know so they can make sure you receive everything you ordered. Customer service claims are rare, but they do happen, and it's your project manager's job to help you every step of the way. When you have taken inventory and everything is correct, it's time to assemble your new building. If you or your erector have any questions regarding construction, your project manager is available during this stage as well. We also provide video tutorials, tips and tricks, and a help section on our website. You can easily find more information on YouTube and social media, as well as 24-hour phone assistance during this process.